Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. This video, I am going to discuss about the stocks which we are going to focus for a March contract. So based on the candlesticks pattern, some important candlesticks pattern we are using to find out the trend based on the candlesticks reversal and continuation pattern. So what kind of stocks we filtered by this particular scanners, so that I'm going to discuss in this video based on the candlesticks pattern. So the first stock based on doji. So here that is a bank nifty which is present the doji candle on the day one. So where there is a value of bank nifty for this particular month of March. Let me see the price. So 35,553 is the highest level, and the lowest level for that is 34,900. So these are the levels based on this candle. It's called a doji candle. So once this doji candle which present, it is a both the direction we can focus for. So if the market is breaks below the level, we are going to focus for a sell, and if the market breaks above this level, we are going to focus for a buy opportunity. So this doji candle confirms this month whether a market may go up or go down. But using this candlesticks, where the high is broken, we can continue for a higher side, and the low is broken, we can go for a lower side. So that is the concept where the doji which is present on the day one. So that is what important. So for the particular month of March, the bank nifty may go up or may go down, but there is an indecision candle on the day one will give you some confirmation whether if it is breaks the high, it maybe continues the trend upside reversal, or if it is breaks below the low, it may be going downtrend. So this is what the stock which is filtered by the doji, that is we are going to focus for a this month trading as our advanced strategies. Some people who know what are the strategies, can if it is breaks we can use the SBB future strategies and 2.1 kind of strategies, and same like that in downside SBB future 2.1 kind of strategies we can apply once according to the breakout of higher level or the lower level. So this is happened by doji. And the second stock which is forms based on the pattern which is called a hammer. So it is a hammer kind of pattern in LTI. So this is a LTI which present by hammer, so having the risk and reward which is 5,879 is the highest level, 5,755 is the lowest level. Another stock which is having on the day one itself, it is forming a hammer candle. So 5,879 is the breakout entry point. So stop loss for the trade is 5,755. So we can use for the option trading. So if the stock is liquid, so we can go for an option trading on that. So this is what an entry point. So we are going to focus only buy opportunity. We can use buy strategies for this particular stock. This is a stock which is comes under hammer candle. So that we are going to use for a buying opportunity. And we don't have any stocks for a shooting star, right? So these are the two stocks which is we got at a bank nifty and LTI in a single candlesticks reversal pattern. And we have a multiple candlesticks and double candlesticks reversal pattern too. So from the double candlesticks pattern, we don't have any stocks in white inside out up and white inside out down. And we have the piercing line, which is HDFC and Axis Bank. So HDFC life insurance having piercing line kind of candle. So it is pierced, and it is a very big stop losses where we are going to take an entry opportunity here. We keep the stop loss below that level. So it is not a good to trade. And second one is Axis Bank. So this is okay good. Axis Bank, it's a piercing line candle where exactly it present here at the piercing candles. So we can focus for a buy opportunity once the market is broken this high. We keep the stop loss here below. So this is what a bullish signal. So we are going to take for a Axis Bank. So today's high is broken by next day. So there is an entry opportunity. We keep the stop loss at the bottom, right? And we don't have any other stocks. The Axis Bank is the only stock we got for a double candlesticks pattern. So that is what another good one. And again we are going to use for a triple candlesticks pattern. That is what a three candlesticks reversal pattern we are using. Is there any other stock which is come? So we don't have any candlesticks pattern which is forms for a 3 candlesticks reversal right now. So that's it for candlesticks, and continuation candle is another candlesticks pattern which we are going to take for a opportunity. Let me try it. What are the stock which is comes under 3 candlesticks continuation candlesticks pattern. So a lot of separating line bullish and separating line bearish, Kodak Bank, Bank Nifty, and a lot of stock which is coming, but we are focusing only mainly few stocks, few scanners on neck and in neck. We didn't get any stocks which is going to give you the proper on neck and in neck pattern. But separating line, we got a lot of stock like ICICI Bank separating line, and HDFC Bank separating line candles, but it is not a good, so we are not using for that. So only 4 stocks we got it. One is a Bank Nifty. For this month we can focus for a Bank Nifty, it just comes under a doji. The second one is Axis Bank, third one is LTI. So these 3 stocks which we can focus for a candlestick pattern, that is happening on the day 1. So we can use the candlestick pattern any point of the time, but this was happening on the day 1, having more power. So there is a trade where we can focus for a monthly basis, right? So the first day of the candle which is forms such a kind of pattern, so that will helping you to find out such a trade opportunity. That is what the main reason we are using for that. So that is why. So based on the candlesticks, we have a very less number of stock, and market also very volatile. So that's about the candlesticks finder. So we will get some 3 stocks which is good for a focusing next month trade on positional basis. It is not for an intraday trade. It is a purely a positional trade where we are going to plan for a positional kind of trade opportunities. And I hope this video may be useful to you all. Thanks for watching this video, and thank you very much. And if you are not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. Thank you so much.